When the mercury rises, signaling the sweet summons of summer, a specific type of human folly emerges, the travel gear enthusiast. Ever see someone at the airport hauling what seems like a portable fortress, complete with futuristic gadgets for every conceivable scenario? That's the spirit we're diving into. And let's be honest, amid the cacophony of packing, who hasn't momentarily considered whether a solar-powered coffee maker could be deemed essential for a 2-day trip to Miami? So, if you've been looking for a sign to rationalize your tendency to pack the proverbial kitchen sink, this might well be it. Here's a deep dive into the top 10 must-have travel accessories that promise to make your summer vacation both laughable and practically seamless, but mostly laughable. Imagine this. You're capturing the perfect sunset on your phone, and just as the sun kisses the ocean, your phone dies. Enter the almighty power bank, your summer fling that promises to never leave you powerless. It might be a chunky addition to your tote, but isn't love always a bit heavy to carry? In an age where being uncontactable even momentarily can ignite a family panic, a solid power bank isn't just an accessory, it's a lifeline. It feels akin to carrying around Thor's hammer, but instead of wielding mythical powers, it boasts the ability to charge your devices multiple times over. Noise-canceling headphones not only allow you to immerse yourself in music or that gripping audiobook, but also serve as a polite barrier to the world. Think of them as your very own do not disturb sign. On a plane, they make babies' cries vanish like your vacation budget at a luxury resort. While their primary function is to block out unwanted noise, they also inadvertently protect you from overly chatty seatmates whose favorite topic is their fascinating life story. Second only to the health benefits of turmeric. An inflatable neck pillow can often look as fashionable as a neck brace from the 1800s, but its utility in the cramped quarters of airplane seats is unmatched. As you inflate it, catching the sidelong glances of your fellow passengers, you're making a clear choice: comfort over couture. Sure, it looks slightly silly, but as you drift into a surprisingly comfy slumber, free from the torment of a stiff neck, you'll realize that beauty is indeed sleep deep. For the caffeinated souls, a morning without espresso is like an outfit without shoes. Unequipped to tread forward, the portable espresso maker is for those who whisper, but first, coffee, before they say good morning. Picture brewing a fresh cup while atop a mountain as the sunrise paints the world. It's less about the need for caffeine, more about the ritual, that sacred morning moment, although do brace for puzzled glances from instant coffee drinkers. Welcome to the age of smart luggage tags, where losing your suitcase becomes as passé as last season's fashion. With GPS functionality, you can follow your bag's journey more closely than a soap opera plot twist. Perhaps the true comfort comes from knowing your well-loved swim trunks will make it to the same city as you, ideally at the same time. Security and style can indeed travel hand in hand, or handle in hand in this case. A scarf that doubles as a secret keeper for your valuables? Ingenious. This hush-hush hero can stash passports, money, and perhaps a small snack for emergencies. It's like wearing a soft, fashionable safe around your neck. Onlookers may think it's just a chic accessory, but you'll know it's the Fort Knox of fibers. A mix of elegance and espionage. Who knew fashion could be so intriguing? Water is the arch nemesis of electronic devices. A waterproof phone case isn't just a purchase, it's an investment against the ocean's playful splashes and the occasional drink spill. Think of it as a swimsuit for your phone, except it's less about looks and more about survival. A must-have for beach days, boat trips, or if you're particularly clumsy with liquids. In the chaos of travel, maintaining order is not just nice, it's essential. Packing cubes are the unsung heroes of organization, making it possible to find your headphone case without upturning your entire suitcase. Think of them as mini storage units in your travel home. A place for everything and everything in its place, because sanity matters, even more so on vacation. It may not win any fashion awards, but the sprawling brim of a sturdy sun hat is your first line of defense against the scorching holiday sun. This isn't just a hat, it's mobile shade, a personal eclipse, if you will. Sure, you might resemble a lost mushroom in the wilderness, but when you're shielded from UV rays while everyone else squints painfully, who's the real winner? Lastly, never underestimate the power of a good old-fashioned paperback. It's low-tech, but as reliable as gravity. When all gadgets fail, a book remains your loyal companion, never needing a charge or an update. Unplug, unwind, and let a story whisk you away. In an age of digital everything, a paperback is rebelliously traditional and refreshingly tangible. In sum, while some might argue that all you need for travel is a set of good clothes and a sense of adventure, those of us who revel in preparedness know better. These travel accessories, while seemingly eccentric, intertwine practicality with a slice of amusement, shaping not just a trip, but an experience. Pack wisely, travel merrily, and remember, every gadget has its day in the sun.